what's up? Welcome back. Today I'm here with my April kit lineup. I don't have anything figured out for my extra planner yet, so I just have my memory planner kits. So it's probably going to be a pretty short video. I'm beyond stoked for this month. I know I say it every month, but I just feel so good about this lineup, and there's a lot going on in April for me this year. So hopefully it's a good month in real life and in my planner. But yeah, for the week of April 5th through the 9th, I am using Teddy Bread from SPC. It's the week of my dad's birthday, and it has baguettes and a lot of bread in it, so it just felt right to use for his birthday. So I've got that, and then for the foil, I'm using the grid underlays from PlanWithMeStickers in olive. I think the olive just works beautifully with this kit, and plus there is some like grids in the patterns, so I thought that would be super cute to play on those. I know that matte bronze is probably the obvious slash better choice for this kit, but I don't know why I'm just in a matte silver mood, so that's what I'm going with. So for the overlays and everything else, I'm just using a matte silver confetti bundle from SPC. So even though it like doesn't quite match, I still think it'll be really pretty. So that is everything for the week of April 3rd through the 9th. And then for April 10th through the 16th, I'm using the Nostalgic kit from SPC. I've always loved this kit, and it gives me very April vibes. I guess it just goes back to the like classic Erin Condren colors from like 6 years ago. But yeah, I think it's perfect for April. It's so cute, and the PlanWithMeStickers SPC like groovy collab bundle, it just felt right to use with this. And I picked Heart Hollow. I think that is going to be so freaking cute. Here you can see the Heart Hollow better in like the washi here, but I just think that is such a freaking cute combo. So very stoked for that. And then oh my god, I am so freaking stoked for this spread, which will be April 17th through the 23rd. So I'm finally using the Dark Forest kit from Pink Diamond Planner Co. Like, this is just gorgeous, beautiful perfection. And this is like my kind of spring vibe. It's like not spring at all, but like if you're moody, it's a perfect spring kit. So for this kit, I knew right away the second I saw it, the underlays that I wanted to use. So we've got Taro in like dark purple, and then Bloom in like a dark blue. I've had these for months at this point. I feel like I showed this combo on Instagram like, I don't know, it feels like 6 months ago, like so long ago, and like I've stuck to the dream. I think it looks so good. And even though the underlay situation was locked down like months ago, it took me so long to figure out what I wanted to do for the overlays, because like with art this beautiful, like the combo just has to be perfect, you know, like I have to do the art justice. And ultimately I decided on the shimmer bundle from SPC in the silver and sparkly hollow mixed metal. Like, this is just such a god tier foil bundle, like one of my favorites. It's just gorgeous, and I think that with these like dark, rich, beautiful colors, that this foil bundle is just going to pop beautifully. Like this washi overlay on this 15 millimeter is going to be fucking beautiful. The week of the 24th through the 30th, I'm using I'm a Fake from SPC because that is the week that we are going to see the summer set. And I'm so excited. I could cry. This kit is perfect for that. But the foil, it was tricky. It was tricky to figure out because like there are just so many good options with this art and I just could not decide. But I saw Jess from Kitness Jess use this kit, and then she used the Falling Stars bundle from PlanWithMeStickers, and I can't remember if she used sparkly or regular hollow, but it looked so fucking good. So I decided to follow suit and I picked that up from PlanWithMeStickers in sparkly hollow. I do have a code with her now. I'm on her very first PR team, so that's super exciting. You can use Domi15 to save and get my freebie. I don't have it down here with me right now, but I will pop it on the screen if I remember. Also I do have a code with SPC as well. I forgot to mention that, but you can use Domi10 at SPC to save. So yeah, that's what I'm doing for the overlays. The underlay situation is a little more complicated though, because y'all know I have a flair for the dramatic. And I was talking it out with Laurel from Laurel Nicole Plans a couple weeks ago, and they were so real for helping me through the whole foil existential crisis. So Laurel, if you're watching this, thank you, you're a real one. But we were just going over all the combo options. So I think I'm going to do the Falling Stars underlays in black. These are unfoiled, so I will either foil them in black, but potentially still sparkly hollow. I don't know, but I'm thinking black because I think the contrast would be cute. But then I'm gonna layer those over Fine Confetti bougie boxes from Planet Hannah. And I was originally going to do lemongrass because you know that's my entire personality right now. And there isn't really like a lemon lime in the kit, it's just this like yellow. But like yellow foil doesn't really exist, but I still wanted that kind of pop that's in the same vein of yellow. So I decided to do lemongrass, but then I had to have some sparkle, and I remembered that I have champagne green foil, which like does not make sense at all for like what the color actually is, but basically it's just like a sparkly version of lemongrass. So that's what I'm layering with these, and that is the whole combo. And I feel like it is either gonna be very cute or questionable. So we'll see how that goes. I'm pretty sure I will have a plan with me for this week because it'll be an exciting week for me. So that is everything for this lineup. I'll flip through it again really quickly. So for April 3rd through the 9th, we've got Teddy Bread from SPC with matte bronze and olive. For April 10th through the 16th, we have Nostalgia from SPC with Heart Hollow. And for the week of April 17th through the 23rd, we have Dark Forest from Pink Diamond Planner Co. with dark purple, dark blue, and sparkly hollow and silver mixed metal. And then for the 24th through the 30th, we have I'm a Fake with champagne green, sparkly hollow, and black. So yeah, that is everything for this lineup. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Later days.